In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window from the pop-up. Then click on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, scale it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to turn your window into a bubble, you need to swipe it to the side and then access it by tapping on the bubble. If you want to close your window completely, click on this X at the top right corner or simply close it in the background. If you want to use this app in full screen view, click at the top left corner or hold one of its bottom corners again and drag one of them all the way down, then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!